Welcome to this video on how to send weekly SMS messages automatically. So this video and automation is for those people who have to perform a certain task or event every week. So this can be any small event but an important one and you do not want to miss out on that. But you have many things to do as well. So this automation is going to remind you about that task or event every week automatically via a SMS message that today is the day on which you have to perform such and such thing. So you can be prepared for that. So with the help of this automation, you will be on the top of your task and you will never miss out any important task. So guys, we can set up this automation without any coding very simply. So let's begin. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And you can find the link of this page in the description. From here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So sign up right now from the given link and after that sign in and select Pabbly Connect product to reach the dashboard. From here, you have to click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name here. Now you can click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the triggers and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which is going to start the workflow and the action would be an automated consequence or the response towards the trigger. So in our use case guys, we want to send an SMS message every week. So we are going to schedule the running of this workflow for every week. So for this to happen, we are using schedule by Pabbly feature of Pabbly Connect. So when you select schedule by Pabbly here, it will ask how often you want to run your workflow. So I want this workflow to run every week. So I'm going to select this days of the week option. So when you select days of the week, you can select any particular day of the week on which you can receive the SMS message. Okay, so I am selecting Monday. Every Monday this workflow is going to trigger. Here you can select the time on which you want to receive the message. So I'm going to select the time as, let's say, 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so I'm selecting 9 here, right? And clicking on save. And you can see this response. This workflow is scheduled to run every Monday at this time. Okay. And what we want to receive a SMS message on my number reminding me of something important every week. For this, we are going to connect Twilio application here in this actions tab. So Twilio is a SMS sending service. You can use any other SMS sending tool like this two-factor SMS or SMS Horizon. Okay, I am using Twilio here. Search for Twilio. Then select the action event as send SMS message. Click on connect button. From here select add new connection and here it will ask for the account SID, the authorization token and the SID again. Okay, so to find these three things you need to open your Twilio applications console. So this is my Twilio applications account guys. Okay, so under your account when you scroll down here you will find this information right here like this. So this is the account SID. Just copy this, paste it here and here also. And for the token, you can see this is the authorization token. Just copy it, paste it here and click on save and you will be connected with Twilio like this. Okay. Here it is asking for the body of the SMS. So let me type a reminder message here for myself for a meeting that I conduct every week. So this is the SMS message I have written, a gentle reminder. This is to remind you that you have to conduct a sprint planning meeting. Agenda of this meeting is to discuss last week's performance and schedule the next week's milestones. Okay. So this is what I am going to receive every week automatically. So it will be a gentle reminder for me to plan for this meeting. Okay. Here it is asking for the sender's number. So here you have to enter your Twilio accounts number. So you can find the Twilio's number under Twilio's console. This is the Twilio phone number. From this number only the message will be delivered. So copy this number and paste it here. And here you have to enter your number in this format you can see in the example with a plus sign and a country code. So 91 is the country code for India. You have to enter your country code. Okay, so let me just enter a number here. So I have entered the number here, and here you have to enter those numbers only which are already verified by Twilio account. Okay, so you have to get the number verified inside Twilio first. Then you can enter the number here and click on save and send test request button to check if it's working or not. So here you can see we have received this response, and in this response guys, if you see this label, the status label, and here in this status it is showing queued, this means the action is performed. Okay, so the message is in the queue and it will be delivered in a few moments or in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so you can check it on your phone if you receive the message. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that you do not have to do anything manually. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.